In today's world, success is not about memorizing facts. It's about how you think, how you analyze, and how you solve problems. The way you approach challenges determines your future. Not quick answers, but smart processes. Critical thinking turns information into insight, and problem solving turns challenges into action. This is the mindset that changes everything. Employers, entrepreneurs, and leaders all look for one thing: people who can think critically and solve real problems. This skill opens doors in school, in your career, and in everyday life. It's a competitive edge you build, not just something you're born with, and once you have it, you can use it anywhere for anything that matters. Critical thinking means questioning information, analyzing facts, and thinking before you act. It's about looking deeper than the headline, separating claims from evidence, challenging your own assumptions, and making decisions with clarity. Problem solving is identifying challenges, then creating smart, effective solutions. You test, you learn, you iterate. Every problem is an opportunity to grow. From schoolwork to startups to personal goals, the process is the same. You build confidence every time you solve with intention. Clearly define the problem. Many people fail because they solve the wrong problem. Ask, what is really going on here? Separate symptoms from sources. If you can't say it simply, you can't solve it clearly. Refine until it's specific and measurable. Confirm the goal before you start. Clarity saves time, money, and stress. Next, gather information. Look at facts, not emotions. Learn from different perspectives before deciding. Summarize the data in your own words. Ask people with experience. Use tools to improve quality of sources. Separate facts from assumptions and unknowns. Now you're ready to generate ideas. Strong thinkers don't stop at one answer. Brainstorm multiple solutions. Creativity and logic work best together. Consider resources and limits. Small tests reveal big insights. Compare trade-offs with honesty. Set a timer and push for more ideas. Then shortlist what fits best. Choose the best solution and take action. Turn ideas into steps. Execution builds momentum. Even if you fail, you learn. Progress comes from doing, not overthinking. Capture lessons immediately. Then iterate with purpose. Action plus learning equals growth. You can build critical thinking every day. Read actively. Ask questions. Solve real-life problems. Use obstacles as practice reps. Try, review, and improve. Reflect on your decisions and learn from mistakes. Teaching others strengthens your thinking. Schedule time to think, like any workout. Small daily habits create big long-term power. Africa needs thinkers, innovators, and solution makers. When you develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, you don't just change your life, you help change the world. This is leadership from the inside out. Start sharpening your mind today. Follow Empower Africa Academy for skills that prepare you for the future. Your best tool is your mind. Train it daily. Solve better. Lead better. Empower Africa Academy.